Hi, we're going to show you today how to do air squats with proper form. This is the #1 exercise that I recommend everybody does every day because it's a long chain movement that benefits all of the muscles in your body virtually and integrates specifically muscles of the core and the legs that support proper posture. So let's get started. I'm going to show you from the side, but we're going to have our feet parallel, hip width apart, toes pointing straight ahead. And we're going to keep our head pointing forward the whole time as well. Okay, so from the side, I'm going to just start standing normally. And then you're going to begin by thrusting your hips forward and squeezing your glutes slightly. You should be able to feel that your glutes are engaged. Press the hands onto the thighs and then lift the belly up as you begin to sit back, sliding your hands slowly down the fronts of your legs until you touch your toes. Your head is facing forward. Don't drop your head down, okay? So you're trying to touch your sit bones as if you want to touch the baseboard where the floor meets the wall behind you. From there, push down through your full footprint, stand up, and then press the hips forward and squeeze the glutes strongly. That's 1. We're gonna go again. Sliding down the fronts of the legs, pressing up, squeezing and thrusting. 2. Sliding down, 3. And then we can integrate our breathing. Sliding, reach the hips back as far as you can, press up. 4, I think that is. Am I counting correctly? I think we've got 5 here. We'll do 10. Breathing in to go down and exhale to press up. 6. Inhale to go down, exhale, squeeze and thrust. 7. Inhale to go down, exhale to push up. 8. And that's 9, squeeze and thrust. And finally, 10. So you really want to have a nice firm squeeze at the top and a thrust with your hips. So that's how we do air squats. Again, every day, don't miss this exercise. They're absolutely fundamental to your health. Thanks for watching.